Alright. Kitty's coming home.
Can you do her butt thing, Mom?
Sure. Here I go.
Oh, you're okay.
Undo the butt thing. Hey, you did pretty good, Kitty. You didn't poop or nothing.
I know. That's why I'm trying to get her out before she does. Back. Back. I know I can't turn her around. There you go. Easy. There you go, good girl. What's this? Your buckle came undone.
This is Jackie's new horse. Her name is Kitty. You want to go see Julia and Grandma, Kitty? What do you think? You smell some smells? Huh? Isn't she pretty?
Good. You want to say hi?
Hello, Kitty. But you're not really a kitty, you're a horse.
Could be a show, a horse named Kitty.
That's right. A horse named Kitty. That's our new show for the farm. A horse named Kitty. It's nicer here than up in West Virginia. It was really cold up there. Yeah. There she is. You want to check this out?
Check out your camera.
Check out the camera. Kitty. Hi.
I'm trying to see the horse. Look at that.
Hi, Kitty. Hi. What do you think, baby? All right. We're gonna go put her in the upper paddock for now, so till we get her stall set up. I can't record and walk at the same time.
Okay, finally, now we see everybody.
You see the others?
See the others?
Yeah, the others.
Say hi. Let's say hi.
She likes Jackie.
Come down here.
And go around. Be back in a minute.